Hey, today we are working on our high frequency words. So those are words that sometimes you may not be able to spell, and they might be a little more challenging to read. So we're going to work on those in a little game today. Over here on the left side of your screen, or on the left side, sorry, there are some cards over here, and then on the right side there are the directions over here. So you are to write the word that is on one of the cards. It doesn't matter which one you do first, and you're going to click in the first space and you'll type that, and then try without looking to type it into the right side. And then after you finish doing all of the ones that I've done for you, you can build your own cards on the blank ones. So you can think about other ones we've been working with this week and last week. And then when you are done, you can submit that. Okay. Hope you guys do great. Hope you are really good at spelling it the first time, but even better on the second time. All right. Have fun.